Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I just recently ordered this spot welder from banggoods.com, and I found I was searching online for a spot welder for welding couple of these batteries 18650. So I found that this one in YouTube many people have reviewed about this one, that this is quite good and it's not that much expensive. It's really inexpensive, and so I decided to buy it from Banggood, and I got this for a pretty decent price, and I was surprised, but it reached me damaged, not directly damaged, like I just welded couple of welds, and right after that it gets damaged. Like, so first of all, I purchased this battery. It's 9000 milliamp hour, is 9 amp hour. Okay, 12 volt lead acid battery. And I purchased this nickel strip, which is 0.12 mm. Okay, so I'll just demonstrate in front of you. Actually this device is having a problem, so I just need a replacement from Banggood. So maybe they have already fixed the issue, I don't know. So I would recommend you not to purchase this unless they found any fix about this device. So let's connect it with the power source. Input is, as you guys can see, it gives a little arc, a little spark. Okay, right after connecting. Basically it's supposed to not to spark unless I just okay, this way it's okay. Okay, it's connected. So I'll just power it up and you guys can see it boots like normal. Okay, here it says 0.2 energy, like the joules you can increase. I'll go for a minimum 10 joules. Okay, you guys can see. Okay, the problem starts when you start welding. Okay, I will put this strip, and right after touching it sparks. So it looks like it's already shorted from inside, and the MOSFETs does not respond, and even if I turned off the module, it still sparks. So it looks like the battery is shorted with somehow directly into this one. So hope Banggood will respond and will return this product. See, the cap is still charged after the powering off also. So I recommend not to buy this product and wait for the fix from the factory. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Bye bye.